Hi, parents. So I'm here working with my daughter, Gabby. Say hi, Gabby.
Hi.
And we're doing social studies, and I thought that it might be helpful to see the book. So I'm gonna start from the beginning. So this is the first page that you guys see. Go ahead and click on my lesson. My lesson goes ahead and pulls up the interactive version of the book. On the left, you just go ahead and play the
Lesson 1.
the book.
Essential question.
And so it goes ahead, it plays the book, and it's like reading to the child. You're gonna see pictures. If you click on the picture, it'll enlarge so that the kids can get a better view of it. And it'll have captions telling you what the picture's about. It should relate to the text that they just read for for the kid, for your child. And it's gonna have a question on the bottom. And this is the part where they need the most support. I mean, first grade, I think they'll have an easier time at reading it. But I'm reading this for Gabby and I help her type it. And then I hit save. And then you'll see a pop up that tells you that you've been successful at saving it. Once you finish with that specific activity within that page, you go to page, to the next picture. You click on it and it'll tell you, this is a stack of books and this relates to what they had just read. And then you just move on those pictures on the top, and each picture kind of represents a part of the page. Like imagine those are all the visuals that you would see on the page. So then once you click here, it'll give you an activity. This activity I think is the best, is the most worthwhile. This one is tying reading to social studies. This, if you see on the bottom, it has 16 pages. So you play this, I'll tell you. This one specifically is about analyzing
What
visual
books
text.
do you like to read?
So then you can say, oh, look, what do you think this book is about? And you'll see that actually it will lead to that. Now you go to the next one. It'll ask, it'll tell them a little bit more about the books, and you keep on going. You're gonna hit all the way to 16. Once you hit 16, and it'll have activities. It'll say click on the text of the book, and you just have
Good
to,
job.
and you'll find.
Super. Good job. Super. Super.
Okay, so let's pretend that she finished it because she did finish it already. Once you get to 16, I'll tell you, click try it, and I'll read it to them. So you click try it, and this will start another set. This one is the most, I want to say it's comprehensive. It does have a lot of pages, but it is very helpful, I think, especially as they're moving on to the reading comprehension that they're going to see in second grade. I think these are very good skills. And I like the vocabulary that they use. They're not using the word pictures, they're talking about visuals. So that is expanding their academic vocabulary. And it has charts, and they'll be completing these charts and helping them organize the information that they're getting from the books. Once they finish try it, they're going to move on to apply it. And this is a section where they are showing what they've learned. So they'll read the question. It says answer, what are the drawings, pictures, and maps called? So that's reinforcing the vocabulary. So they'll say, and they'll give a cling to tell them if they're correct or not. Some of these have more than one answer. You just have to make sure you're reading the correct the question correctly. Once you're done with that, you move on. You can move on to the next chapter. So now you went from 1-1. Now you're going to move to lesson 2. For us, I've only asked for you guys to do lesson 1 and lesson 2. And so now I'm here with my daughter. We saved it. You'll see once I save it, it will stay there. And then we did we've already done this page. We've already seen the picture. When you see the picture, you talk about it. Talk about it with your kids. I already did these 3 with them, with her, I mean. So then I hear when you have the musical notes, obviously it's going to be a song. You could play it. I mean, these are just resources to reinforce the vocabulary or the learning, any concepts. Sometimes the songs really take long to load. So if you see that it's taking too long, you can just go ahead and skip it. Here it will tell you if it's going to be what type of media. Is it going to be something that you play? Is it going to be just something that you're going to view? Is it a picture? So right here, I know it's going to be a picture. I'm not expecting it to do anything else. So I don't even have to click on it. Gabriela, read the question here with me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. And you can expand these. So
what color is
water
on a globe?
So what color is it?
Blue.
So, but I want a whole sentence. So the
water on the globe
beautiful
is really, really blue.
I'm just gonna put it's blue, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then what do we put at the end of a sentence?
Period.
Very important. Okay, and so we
or
save it.
anything.
Okay, so once I've saved that, I move on. This arrow tells me that I have more stuff available. So skill builders, maps, and gloves. And I would click on it. Okay, Gabby. So let's look at this, Gabby.
Okay.
And then when I look down here, I could see that there's going to be 15 pages. And remember, these are the ones that I think are really like the best for learning. I like the academic vocabulary. I like the critical thinking that it takes. So you're going to do learn it. Then you're going to move on to try it, which will have, let's see. So in this instant, try it has 10 pages. And when I'm done with try it, it's apply it. And apply it has 7 questions. Okay? Well, I hope this really helped you. Okay, so just to show you how cool this is. So I'm here with my daughter, and the question is, use this globe to find the Pacific Ocean. So it gives you the tools to turn it. My daughter already found it, but just to show you, they can turn the globe with their mouse. I'm just clicking on it. And then once she sees Pacific, I push her to read. She click on it.
Good job.
And it tells her good job. And I mean, that's really cool, I think. It's asked her already to find the United States in the map. So we're working on geography. Now, Gabby, look. Now it's moving back and forth from maps to globes to show her how they're useful in different ways. Can you find the Pacific Ocean on this map? We're going to open it. Okay, Gabby? So find the Pacific Ocean.
It has to only start with Pacific
So touch it.
Boop.
Oh, you gotta click on it.
Correct.
Is there any other place in this map that shows Pacific Ocean?
I don't know.
I see it. I see another side because this, remember, it wraps around.
Good job.
All right.
saw
So
that
I think that's really cool. I mean, all right. Once you finish the apply it, it's going to show like this. All you do is just, close it. And that's it. There's no, I don't know if you want to play it again, but you would just close it and return to the same page you were at where you first touched the activity. And I'm going to show you. See how it went light gray? That means that there's no more. And so this is really what the interactive social studies is about. If you're having problem accessing it, I already spoke to Ms. Montano. I really hope to have everybody going with resolving all the problems with accessing the programs by this week. Thank you for your patience.